MECH is a performance qualified certification. Mechanics who want to be certified must attest that they have worked as a healthcare mechanic for the required number of years, depending on their certification level. Their supervisor also must sign their application. MECH certification is an acknowledgement of professional experience. While some certificates allow almost anyone to take and pass a test, MECH selectively screens prior experience and has continuously proven to separate those with experience from knowledge only. Because of changes in healthcare, the MECH certification test is continuously evolving. Within each test, there are 10 unscored pilot test questions. These questions are being evaluated for inclusion in further test content. MECH is a certification for well-rounded, multidiscipline mechanics. Only those mechanics who have actively worked with each of the 7 test sections can expect to do well. These mechanics are referred to by different job titles, such as maintenance technician, maintenance engineer, engineer, or simply maintenance mechanic. MECH has 3 levels. At the entry level, a potential new hire is identified from other applicants using the assessment tools in the MECH Structured Interview Manual. The entry level does not confer certification, but can be the first step for a mechanic just entering the healthcare field. MECH offers tools to help prepare mechanics for certification. Facility managers and maintenance supervisors are encouraged to use the implementation guide to help with training and test prep. The guide includes a 100-question practice test. Sometimes additional evaluation is desired prior to taking the MECH certification test. The STEP test offers an easy-to-use professional assessment to fill that gap. Every application for MECH certification includes a free test preparation workbook with a complete practice test. Candidates may apply and receive their workbooks up to a year in advance of when they plan to take their MECH test. After 2 years of experience, mechanics are qualified to take the MECH certification test and become MECH certified. MECH senior certification is granted to mechanics who have at least 4 years of experience and who reach a higher performance mark on the MECH certification test. In order to maintain a high quality of knowledge among MECH certified mechanics, mechanics are invited to recertify every 5 years by submitting documentation of continual professional improvement. A minimum number of hours of technical training is required per year. MECH is a nonprofit organization operating under IRS 501c3 charitable regulations. MECH follows ANSI standards in how our tests are produced, proctored, and scored. MECH is very similar to the CHFM certification offered by ASHI for facility managers, but MECH was built by healthcare mechanics representing small, medium, and large healthcare facilities. MECH prides itself on being one of the top quality certification tests. The attributes of a good certification are well known: valid test procedures, history of test results, performance requirements, knowledge assessments, recognition, test practices and procedures that are recognized by the testing industry. MECH provides an easy system for facilities to recognize talent and offer advancement. The levels have been worked into the hiring and evaluation processes of many hospitals. MECH provides a credible structure for determining compensation. MECH is recognized by accrediting agencies and has been used to satisfy third-party evaluation requirements for accreditation reviews. MECH offers an easy way to verify a maintenance team's experience and knowledge and documents their continual professional improvement.
Upon being hired into the organization, I had the opportunity to work toward my MECH certification. Was able to obtain that within the first couple years of my employment. It's something that I've kept up with over the years. It's benefited me in a few different ways. It keeps me up to speed on technology and maintenance practices. Now that I'm a supervisor, some of the things that are beneficial, I believe, to our employees is it gives them an opportunity to hone their skills as a mechanic, and also we utilize it as a pay scale motivation, because once they reach certified, they get a little bump in their paycheck, and then again once they're senior certified. So it gives them a little outside motivation to continue to keep their skills sharp.
It's given me knowledge in lots of different fields, and I feel comfortable working on many different pieces of equipment and doing any task that it gets thrown to me. It seems to have helped me a lot, and I'm sure it'll help everybody else if they go through the program.